Something pretty interesting today despite the weather.
Yes, gonna go fishing.
You're literally going fishing today.
Yeah, gonna try our luck. Down at Vermilion River, Steelhead fishing.
Like, is today a good day for fishing?
It can be. Hopefully the fish are gonna run today. With the north wind, it backs the river up and gives the fish an opportunity to come up.
And you've had luck with this before?
Yeah, been doing it for 20 years.
All right, very good. Well, have a good day out there. Catch some for us.
Yeah, may the pole bend.
All right, thank you very much. I appreciate it.